You're learning their language.
And I kind of nervous a little bit because I just woke up from dreaming.
10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. You only rocks because they're a little stupid.
Especially this one.
Rock.
She farted really loud, huh? It gives him to
Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
It's wet, Rox. It's wet.
That's mine, not yours. Not yours. Not yours.
Hi guys, good morning. On. Remember, her nails is sharp. Do you still have bread for your sandwich? Huh? You did the ham one time, and that's it. You never did it again.
I don't like that one. I like the one from Costco. It was not really good. It was very chewy. Like
Chewy?
yeah, like good for the dogs. Good for the dogs.
That's a big one, huh?
Yeah, well, I get look at the one at Costco was smaller with no bone. It was more meat, and it was better ham.
What do you mean it's bitter ham? Since like every ham the same thing. The same taste, salty.
That one probably would have been better if you threw it in the oven for a couple hours.
Yeah, that's supposedly be thrown in the
Well,
oven.
it's already pre-cooked, so it shouldn't have to be if you're going to use it cold anyway.
Guys, I'm still looking for a job. Look.
What's in your hands? Fork in your hands.
Oh, there's a mark somewhere. Are you staring at Daddy? What is that noise?
I'm scared of it.
What do you think that noise?
Scary.
What do you think that noise, Rox?
I don't know, but I don't want to know.
We don't have a human kid
Maybe
yet.
his head's going to explode and he's going to get guts all over me.
Daddy's the one making faces over there, not me. This is just trying to tell you. Guys, this is gonna be pain in the neck cleaning. This is gonna be pain in the neck cleaning this, guys. This one right here. Tom and I tried to clean this up, guys. We shut it off.
We tried these.
And Tommy sprayed it. Oh my god, guys.
Spark everywhere.
Pew, pew. It makes noises because you shut it off, so why is it sparking?
You still have power in there.
Is it?
Yeah, but it was spray with 4 chandeliers. It should be like contactless electrical cleaner spray. That doesn't short circuit, but apparently not true.
What is that? Fotoro Sports for your arm? You have too many.
You couldn't find them. I told you, and you couldn't find it.
Look at Roxy, try to help you, honey. She tried to help you. Now look, huh? Said you don't listen, Daddy. She's trying to talk to you. She tried to grab you to go outside.
I know what she's trying to do. You can't do that. You do? Can't do it by left hand. I gotta do it by right hand.
Roxy, behave, huh? Behave.
Beehive? Beehive.
Behave. Roxy, honey, you make her crazy, hon, honestly.
She knows it's. You're learning their language.
What is this over here? Is this a salad dressing?
Oh, yes, I'll go. Have a good day.
I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Drive careful. Yeah, the rain.
That's why I hate watching comments.
I love you. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah. The flies.
I'm just constantly wiping the table with the Clorox wipes. Because murag kaulan nun, guys. Murag siya kaulan nun kay ano tawag dito? Mas murag ngit-ngit siya ba ang cloud kay itom. Ngit siya sa gawas. Yeah, seems like it's going to rain. At balik na naman it hits. Anyway, I just put a little makeup on this foundation. The foundation that I use is the Fit Me Dewy Smooth. I'm just gonna go to Pitco to get some animal food right here. This one right here. And that one right there. And the one up there. And I don't know where's the other one. He's missing. He's not even in our room. Okay guys, let's go. I'm just gonna get something from Pitco because the dog and the cat didn't have enough food over there, so I'm just gonna pick up something. And I kinda nervous a little bit because when I put water in the mount of my camera mount, it's dripping in the camera. So what the heck? If I ruin this camera, guys, that means I'm gonna vlog, but I'm gonna use the other camera. That means it sucks because I love this camera. And if you remember, I just got this camera last year. I think that was November or October, yeah. But I just got this camera. But anyway, let's go, guys. Okay. I hope it's not going to rain, because if it's going to rain, that means it's really not good. I can't go to the island. I'm sorry about that cruise over there. It's traffic in this route. Nandito na ako, guys, sa Pitco. Tignan natin yung kaibigan ko. I have a friend right here. Hello, they're sleeping. Tired. They're tired. They don't even wanna look. They usually jump all over the place. They're not happy to see me. Pagkain ng mga aso ko, ito yon. I'm gonna get soup. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go get something for the cat. We have few foods left, few can of food left. Push.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Teeny tiny turtle. This fish is really ugly, guys. Tignan nyo, ang papangit na ganing isda nito. Ito, sobrang ganda, oh. Goldfish. This is a nice aquarium. My camera is acting up already, guys. It's acting up already since it's wet. This is the dark one. So I'm looking what shade is this. Because I used to use their eyebrow, guys, and they are very nice. But I have one. It's dark for me, and wala silang Wet n Wild, guys. Wala akong nahanap na Wet n Wild. So ibalik ko lang to, guys. I'm gonna put this back because I'm gonna use all my eyebrow pencil first. I'm gonna use them first before using another one. And I put my camera to the rice right here because it's wet. The mount, I told you, right? The mount is wet, and then when I flip it over, the water just dripping onto the camera, and then it's not a lot, but it's really just drip to a lot of button. There's a lot of button and facing area, and it's just soaked in there. And every time I film, it says error. Anyway, shout out to Isa B. Albius. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Cam is calling, hold on. Hi, how are you? Also shout out to Ate Marivikia. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Karen Ciliano. And also shout out to Luz, and her Facebook name is Pina Luz or Pinia Luz. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Oh, na-shout out na kita, ha? To Almera Mangko, she's from Saudi Arabia. Hi sis, salamat. To MaryAnn Libarius Baruis Gutierrez. Sobrang haba. Hi, thank you for watching. Shout out to Sweetheart38. Her name is Chong Chong from Hong Kong. Hi, thank you for watching, Chong Chong. Hi guys, this is what I'm going to cook. Steak that I cut in, pieces. Only garlic and onion. And then I have this chayote right here. And then while cutting, I think, guys, I'm watching Chop. A show. Look, Chop. Yeah, are you hungry too? I know, look at your tail. You're hungry, but I will feed you after Mama cook. After I finish cooking. He got out 10 o'clock. I'm not sure. I have to ask him when I get here. I think she's dying to go out. She wants to go pee. She's just right here. She makes noises. Right here, what is it? Where's Dada? Roxy, where's Dada? Misty is running back and forth. He's here. Why I don't hear him? Hey, why I don't hear the car? I just woke up from dreaming.
Probably why.
Probably why what?
You're half asleep.
What do you want to drink?
Hey, hon, you walking away.
What do you want to drink? You have the orange here.
Be quiet if I let you out.
You're right. Okay.
Quiet.
And then, so when you called me, what time is it? 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Boy, you really have it. Check your phone. Leave it buried in rice for a couple of days.
He dropped this guys from over there. He want to play with it. Look. It's a rat. It's a battery. You too annoying. You annoying dog. Hey, you're playing with your brother. About my boobs. Okay, I'll give you a sorrow. Boobs. Oh no, you're so heavy. My God, you grabbed my boobs twice already.
Not yours, Rox. Not yours. Because they're a little stupid.
Especially this one.
Rox, not yours.
I love you, baby. I'm sorry. I know, baby. Loco.
Not yours.
I said,
Rox,
no, not opening your
Down.
mouth. You can snap. You can smell it.
down. Not yours.
Get down. Get down.
I know your mom was teasing you with it, but it's still not yours.
I will tell you some story, Han. Can I just tell you something, Han? I was standing over there, standing my phone like this, kinda I'm zooming with my phone. Suddenly Roxy do like this, Han. I do like this, and then when he sat down, he farted really loud, Han. It's so simple that you know when he sat down and then he jumped, and then you know what he does, and he doesn't know he fart. She fart, and then after what he does, snip his butt like, and then he kept turning like trying to get his butt. Missed it to just farted. You know, you guys. Even she's scared of her fart, guys. She farted, sit down, and then so loud, guys. I can't stop laughing. You're so cute, Rox, no matter what it is. I just want to see your reaction, that's it. Because you're so guapa, dog. Shout out to Gail, and also shout out to Riza Lanko. Riza Lanko, hi guys, thank you for watching. Han! Han! Okay.